Anyway, some years later, they used this linoleum squares. Apparently they like green in the bathroom over the years.
Yeah.
Because at one point it had some funky marble wallpaper that was also in the bathroom over here. So, more removed, and we can see the pattern, black and white square, or the green and white squares, and what looks like someone threw black paint on top of it over the years, maybe when it got wore. And then there's a bunch of spilled white paint, maybe when they were painting the ceiling after that. But it's a cool stuff. It's this burlap. And we think that is the early form of linoleum. When they would take burlap and a linseed oil with cork dust and make a paste and pour it over the burlap, and then they would paint a pattern on it. So this has kind of a brown wood, kind of a cork backing to it, if you will, and then just has these green and white squares painted on it. You have to excuse the black. It's someone painted over it at some later date. Kind of cool little tidbit of history. This is a piece of the sample we've taken up. You can see the brown residue on the back. Just an interesting thing.